light kits.
Light kit.
So we've got the one here for the Typhon, we've got the one here for the Mojave, and we've got the one here for the Granite. Should we fit them?
This is mine.
No, this one's yours. Whoa. Okay, so in the kit for the Typhon, we've got the light kit here. We've got 3 zip ties, 1, 2, 3, and some screws. So one of these, I think, is to replace the one at the front, and then we've got 2, which I believe fit into the back. But we'll take a look and get this kit fitted. So first thing we're going to do is we're just going to test that this all works before fitting it in properly. So I'm going to take out the connector for the fan, and if you look here, the wiring loom for the light kit has a like a dongle here that we can fit the fan into. So we're going to pop the light kit straight into where the fan was. In there, so it just slots in really nice and easy, plug and play. We are then going to put the original fan into the light kit dongle. So that's now the fan fitted. My controller's on, just so this doesn't do anything funky while we're testing it. So let's turn this on. And there we go. So that's the light kit, and it is working. So the light kit's on and all working. So now we'll have a look at getting these lights fitted into the chassis of the car. Right, so as you can see, we have got the lights wired up and they are working when the car's turned on. It wasn't as straightforward a build as we would have liked. So the screw at the front where we've got this brace, which we featured in one of our other videos, is like a must-have piece to support these front struts. The light doesn't screw in to the hole that features in the front there. I'm just going to turn that off. So we've used some zip ties and some VHB tape to secure it in there and hold that on tight. But we have, had to cable tie that one on to hold it in place. And then a similar story at the back. So this kit comes with 2 screws to go into the pieces, the sort of upward. There's like 2 upward cylindrical pieces at the back here, and they've got a screw hole in the top. It's not a threaded screw hole, although the screws do line up, but the screws that the kit came with did not fit into there at all. So again, we've used some VHB tape to stick this light set on. See if it comes off, then it's not going to go too far because of the cables are holding it in. But yeah, the kit did not really do what we were expecting in that it didn't fit on. The electronics on the car were exactly as we looked at before, sort of formally fitting this, so just with the plug in there and the dongle in here. There's plenty of room in this car, so we've just sort of laid them between the front and the back, and whenever we slot before we slot the cover on, we just pop them into those cable sort of grips that are along the chassis there to keep it out of the way. Overall, really, really easy kit to fit. The screws just didn't really work for us. I didn't test the screw that it came with in the front to see if it would have actually fitted in the hole there. I mean, I'm reasonably confident this is a pretty sure way to hold it in for now, at least on the front end. The back end, as I mentioned, that could come off because we've just VHB taped it in place because I couldn't get the screw kit to fit. But for $10, I'm pretty pleased, and it looks really cool when the kids were out bashing it in the play park yesterday.